insalata. Now we start with the chicken. Okay? These are the ingredients. White wine, olives, herbs, especially rosemary, sage and marjoram, garlic, salt, oil. That's it. A little bit of flour because we want to have the sauce a little bit thicker. Okay? So this helps us. You can dirty everything.
Squeeze it and then peel it off.
We open the garlic and we take off the hair. So it's more simple to digest. You see? There is a part in. Take
Without a dream.
Cut with the knife. Cut in two. And it's not important that be all the same size. Shame. Smell.
Yes, it is. What are you doing here, Barbara?
Putting olives.
Oh my God, this is right up Michael's alley, this dish. And he doesn't cut his oranges as fabulously.
Well, I don't use oranges in my salads.
Otherwise became bitter. Grazie. Flour.
Yes. Sí.
Just a little bit the meat before to add wine and a little bit of water. Andrea, mi dai per favore un bicchiere d'acqua?
So Andrea will take that and he will finish preparing on the stove, yes? And then we move on to something else. Got it.
No. Oggi c'ho paura. Ho paura. Paura.
Thank you, Andrea.
Thank you so much. And now we have to prepare carbonara sauce.
Oh,
No cream inside, eh?
fantastic.